are 5 best tips to hire a handyman. A handyman can be an extremely valuable asset when it comes to home repairs. If you're not sure how to hire a handyman who can help you tackle projects around the home, there are a few crucial things you should be on the lookout for. Keep watching for our top tips to hire a handyman you can trust. 1. Referrals and reviews. You'll need to check reviews before you hire a handyman. After performing your preliminary search, reviews can give you a clear insight into the handyman's quality of work and his trustworthiness. Whether it's good or bad, a thorough review will give you a detailed insight into others' experiences. You can also reach out to friends and family members for a personal referral. If someone is happy with their handyman, they're probably more than happy to pass their information on to you. 2. Small projects first. If you want to give your new handyman a test run, enlist their help on a few small projects to start with. These projects can include things like replacing a door handle or weather stripping around windows and doors. Over time, if you're happy with the outcome, you can have the handyman work on other, more complex endeavors. When you start out small, you'll get a better feel for how the handyman works. 3. Scope of work. A skilled handyman can do things like paint, replace fixtures, and perform basic home improvement duties. However, if you hire a handyman to do things that require specific training and expertise, check their credentials first. Things like electrical, plumbing, or HVAC problems should only be handled by experts in that field. Reserve the help of your handyman for the things that he's familiar with and excels at. Never assume without asking that they have years of training or offer an extended warranty. 4. Get it in writing. Even if you think the job is small, you should always make sure your handyman is giving you a written estimate. Without having this information on paper, you could open yourself up to discrepancies later. A simply written estimate should include the scope of work as well as the total cost. Anything outside of the scope should cost you more, but you should also not pay more than what's done based on the written estimate you receive. 5. Skills and business sense. When you're looking for a handyman, you need to choose someone who can perform a variety of tasks exactly as they're asked. A skilled handyman will make your life easier since they've gained your confidence and you know they're doing everything right the first time. A professional handyman not only does the job, but they also clean up thoroughly when they're done. In addition to skills and a tidy work habit, your handyman should also understand the principles of business. This means showing up on time, being honest, and charging only for the work that's done. Easy processing of invoices and estimates through electronic means will also ensure that your handyman is a true professional in this niche. Bonus: set good expectations. Use these tips when you hire a handyman so you can be sure you're finding the right fit for your needs, and always set good expectations from the start. Whether it's simple tasks, remodeling projects, or ongoing maintenance, a handyman can make your life easier and give you peace of mind. If you're searching for a handyman for your home, visit our website and contact us today for more information. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give this a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more great insights and tips about handyman services. Please reach out to us because we know the drill.